Hi guys, Nick here from Thrive. So if your Facebook ad account's been disabled, the most helpful article I've found is through Entrepreneur magazine. If you scroll down now, read this whole article because if you're not following Facebook rules and they shut you down, then you may need to advertise elsewhere or figure out a way around it. Now they've got these 8 steps here. So you find a trusted friend, colleague, or family member. I have tested out this myself and it has worked. Even if you're an agency and you run ads for other people, go to this link here at the top, facebook.business.com/overview. Um, Now, before you go to that link, obviously your ad account's been shut down, maybe all of your ad accounts. So then you need to go and log in, get your friend to log into their Facebook and then go to that link so they can set up a business account on your behalf. You can actually use Teamviewer to open up a window where you can log in and you can actually guide them through while watching their screen, or you can just take over their screen. So you don't actually have to go to their house, which is option two. Then have them open up a new business manager account, like I said, through overview.com/overview. Once you've done that, set up a new ad account in the business manager. So you can go here in the business settings, under the overview, go create new account. Then you'll eventually get to this screen here, which is users and people inside the ad account. So this one's craft marketing. Select people, and then you want to add yourself via your email address there. So you want to grab your email address. Then you want to set up a new Facebook page. That way, if the page that you're advertising from is linked to disabled ad accounts, they won't automatically disable your ad account. Get a new type of payment, such as a new credit card, and load that into the credit card settings under billing. Once you've done that, just jump straight into making sure that, of course, the person's added you as an admin on the Facebook page, so whatever that page is, and also they've added you as an admin into the account, so you've got full privileges. So like in this account here, you can see here that under people and under ad accounts, that means that I'm a admin in both of them here. So that's ad accounts and also users and people. Once you've done that, you can simply log into the business.facebook.com and go straight in and manage ads through that new ad account.